guys, and welcome back to another episode from me, your natural sis, Tam Kam. And in today's video, I'll be doing a good old detox on my hair. I have not washed my hair in over 2 months because I had my crochet hair in my protective style. And today, I finally took out my protective style last night, and now I need to finally detox my hair, okay? If you have never detoxed your hair, this will be a perfect video for you to watch. So go ahead and stay tuned. So you guys, before we even get started into this video, if you have not already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, turn it gray, hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time when I post a new video. So in today's video, I'll be detoxing my hair with the infamous clay mask. If you do not already know, the AZTEC clay mask, this is one of my favorite masks to use. I love to use it on my skin. I love to use it on my hair. I have not used it truly on my hair in like months, but I was just like, you know, my hair is dirty, it stinks, it's just like a hot mess, and it truly needs a detox. Pretty much just like your skin needs a detox. It just needs to be refreshed, okay? So I will be detoxing my hair today, and y'all will be following me along these steps. So the main thing I'm going to be using today is the AZTEC Healing Clay Mask, and this is an Indian clay mask. It is known as the world's most powerful clay mask, and this clay mask is known to detoxify your hair or skin, removes a lot of impurities, a lot of metals out of your hair or skin, which is why with this clay mask, whenever you do mix this mask, you do not use any type of metal products, not products. You do not use any type of metal utensils or anything like that. So it's best to use anything with plastic. And then along with the clay mask, I will be using apple cider vinegar. And this is the one with the mother, which has like all the nutrients and the goodness inside of apple cider vinegar along with honey. So this is not just the regular one with the mother, it's with the mother and honey, okay? So apple cider vinegar actually helps your hair with lowering the pH. If your hair is dry and frizzy and just limp and brittle, it's probably because your hair have a higher pH and it's more alkaline. So this apple cider vinegar will actually make your hair more acidic, and then it would just kind of like just make it more shiny. It'll actually tighten up the curls and tighten up the strands, so pretty much just moisture doesn't always fall out, so it's not always dry anymore. It just really helps with moisture at the end of the day. Also, apple cider vinegar also helps with the impurities, and I believe it also has vitamin A and C inside apple cider vinegar. Okay, my mistake. Apple cider vinegar actually has vitamin C and B inside, which is still great vitamins, okay? But yes, apple cider vinegar in your hair along with the clay mask is just going to do wonders along with the honey that's inside, because honey actually produces a lot of shine inside your hair so it doesn't look dry and boring, okay? So we're going to be doing it today to make my hair better. So like I said, the way how I'm going to be mixing this AZTEC clay mask is I'm going to just be using a plastic bowl along with a plastic spoon to mix both of these products together. I'm going to pretty much just put like a good amount of clay mask into my bowl, and then put kind of like half of the amount of apple cider vinegar into the bowl as well, and just kind of like mix it until I get a nice creamy consistency. You can use more or less AZTEC clay mask depending on the length of your hair. Because my hair is kind of like a medium size length, I am going to be using kind of like a medium dose, I guess, or a medium amount of clay mask. So this is my clay mask right here. I have like a good amount. Hopefully this is enough for my hair, but we shall see. If not, I can always just make some more. So I divided my hair up into 4 sections just so it can be easy for me to just distribute the product evenly throughout all of my hair and throughout all of my strands. I also have a bottle of water here because you do not want to just apply this on dry hair. I just feel like that's just kind of weird. I don't know. But I have a lot of water here along with some gloves to wear just because I do not want to have it all messy on my hand, because this is a messy detoxing mask, okay? Let's be real. So I'm just going to wear a shirt around my shoulder just to prevent any type of spillage, because I can't find my wrapper rule. I can't find none of my towels. It's just, I'm going through it right now, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the back, the back section of my hair. And I'm going to start just a small piece, this small piece. I'm just going to spray it down with some water, get it a little moist there. It doesn't have to be too moist or anything because the mask do have apple cider vinegar in it, so you know that's the moisture right there. But I just don't want it to be super dry when it's time to apply the mask. That's just me. Just work that water in there. I definitely need a trim. I got a little inches, yes sis. But so I'm gonna take some of this mask here. It might be too much, so maybe like this much, and just apply it to my hair. Now this is dirty hair, just to remind you. I did not wash my hair at all, y'all. I literally took out my protective style last night. This hair hasn't gotten not an ounce of water till just now. But yeah, because I just felt like it's just better to do this on dirty hair, just to take out everything. Well, not everything, because I'm still going to wash my hair after this. But another great thing about this mask, it actually helps with itchy scalp. So make sure that you do get the scalp when you're applying this to each and every single section. Helps with itchy scalp, inflammation, so that is very important, okay? Because my hair has definitely been itching since I had a protective styling. And don't be nervous that it looks like a stiff board right now, because trust me, once you wash this out, you're gonna have like curls for days. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue spraying down each one of these sections and applying this mask. Okay guys, so I finished applying all the mask on the first half of my head, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the rest of the mask on the second half of my head, and then I'll be back to show y'all how it looks entirely. Okay y'all, so I'm done applying the mask all over my head, and yeah, I know I look a little crazy, but you guys, this mask is like everything, okay? Now, this side already started drying up. One thing you want to wait for before you even wash up this mask is for it to be completely dry or almost dry. For me, it kind of like takes maybe like 20 minutes because this side actually already started drying up and it's pretty crunchy and hard. And then this side won't really take that long to dry. But yeah, so once it's completely dry, that's when you can wash it out and your curls will be popping. When I tell you popping, popping. You can already see like my curls coming in through this mask, how it was before. It looked like freaking stiff and like limp with no life. But yeah, so my curls are coming in, and I can't wait to see how my hair's gonna look after this. So I made sure to get like all my roots and everything, because like I said, my scalp is itchy just from having that protective style in for a very long time. It just helps with inflammation, which I do have a problem with, especially in the crown of my head. Like it itches so bad and it just feels like it's always inflamed. But so yeah, so I'm gonna be back once it's completely dry and I wash it out, and then I'm gonna show y'all my final results of my hair. Okay guys, so I finished washing out all that clay mask, and look at my curls, y'all. Do you see the definition in there? Ooh. Definition is there. My hair is soft. It is bouncy. Look at the snapback. Okay, hair is bouncy. Like, definition is insane. Okay, I truly do recommend using a clay mask whenever you have like a long protective style, you know, especially if it's like months on end, just to pretty much just clarify your hair and just bring your hair back to life. If your hair has been dry, brittle, just limp lately, I highly suggest doing a clay mask. I love using clay mask. I'm just trying to like bring it into my regimen more frequently, probably like maybe like every 3 months or so I may do a clay mask, but it is really beneficial for your hair, like for real, especially if you're gonna have like a long-term protective style on your hair and not touch your hair for a long time or wash your hair for a long time. It's just good to give your hair a nice detox, the same way how you give your skin a detox. I like to treat my hair the same way how I treat my skin. You know, this is the first thing that people's gonna see. It needs to be lovely, okay? But so yes, curls is on fleek, y'all, fleek. Okay, so I will list where you can purchase this AZTEC clay mask in my description box. I will also place it inside my Amazon store if you do want to purchase this clay mask, which is wonderful, sis and bro. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below, turn it gray, hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every time when I post a new video. Bye, guys.